Hello everyone, once again welcome back to another session. In this session, we are going to configure Cisco ASA firewall in GNS3. In my previous video, I did the lab setup where I have designed network topology. This session, I will do the configuration. So let's get started. You can see the network topology that I have designed in my previous session. This session we will do the configuration of this router Cisco 7200, and then we will configure Cisco ASA firewall. Later on we will get the access from physical host Cisco ASA firewall. So here you can see router 1 is connected to internet cloud, which is my ISP, and Cisco ASA firewall that is connected to router 1 gigabit 1/0. In Cisco ASA firewall, gigabit 0/0 is the outside interface, and that is connected towards with Cisco 7200 router gigabit 1/0. Cisco ASA firewall gigabit 0/ is connected to DMZ switch, and gigabit 0/1 is connected to inside switch. For router 1 gigabit 0/0, the IP address is 192.168.61.3/24. And in router 1, we have one more IP address for gigabit 1/0, which is connected to ASA firewall from router 1. The IP address is 192.168.2.1/24. In Cisco ASA firewall, inside interface gigabit 0/0, the IP address is 192.168.2.2/24. For inside zone IP address 192.168.10.1/24. For DMZ IP address is 192.168.11.1/24. We're gonna have two static route. One will be in router 1 to get access 192.168.61.2, and another one will be in Cisco ASA firewall, that is to get access 192.168.2.1. And finally, we'll have one more static route in physical host to get Cisco ASA firewall SDM access from physical host. First, we'll configure router 1, which is Cisco 7200. So let's start configuration. In interface gigabit 0/0, we'll have assign IP address 192.168.61.3/24. That is from my ISP that has internet. So let's start configuration. Config T interface gigabit 0/0 IP address 192.168.61.3, and the subnet mask followed by 24 bit of mask 255.255.255.0. No shut. Now we will assign IP in gigabit 1/0, which is connected to the ASA firewall interface gigabit 1/0. IP address 192.168.2.1, and the subnet mask followed by 24 bit of mask 255.255.255.0. No shut. Now I will save the configuration. WR, enter. If we check our gateway from router 1, ping 192.168.61.2, we can see we are able to reach. If we check the internet connectivity, ping 8.8.8.8, we can see we are not able to reach. Let's check the routing table. Show IP route. We can see gateway of last resort is not set. Now we will do one static route. IP route 0.0.0.0 0.0.0.0 and the next stop is 192.168.61.2. Let's check the connectivity. Ping 8.8.8.8. We can see we are able to reach. If we check the connection from physical host, open CMD, ping 192.168.61.3. We can see we are able to reach to my GNSC router from physical host. If we check to 192.168.2.1, we can see we are not able to reach. To get the subnet access from physical host, we need to do one static route in physical host. So the command is route add hyphen p 192.168.2.0 and then mask 255.255.255.0 and the next stop is 192.168.61.1. Let's try ping 192.168.2.1. We can see we are able to reach. I'm going to show you GNS3 VM network settings. Open GNS3 VM, click edit and then virtual network editor. Here we can see there is two network adapter. One is host only, another one is net. If I click net setting and here I can see my gateway is 192.168.61.2. In your case, you can check from your VM network adapter setting, it may change. So this GNS3 VM network adapter is connected through net. Make sure that your GNS3 VM network adapter setting is net. Now we will configure Cisco ASA firewall. In Cisco ASA firewall, we will be assigned a static IP in Gigabit Ethernet 0/0 using CLI and interface 1 and 2 IP address will be assigned graphically using ASDM launcher. So I'm going to have console for Cisco ASA firewall. Enable. By default, there is no password. Press enter. Config T. Interface Gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Name if outside. IP address 192.168.2.2 and the subnet mask followed by 24 bit of mask 255.255.255.0. No shut. Now we will have one static route in Cisco ASA firewall to get access ASA firewall from physical host. Route outside 0.0.0.0 0.0.0.0 and the next stop is 192.168.2.1. Let's enable HTTP. HTTP server enable. HTTP 0.0.0.0.0.0.0 and the next stop is outside. Let's create username and password. In order to get ASDM access, we need user ID and password. Username admin privilege 15. Username admin password 1234. Let's save the configuration. WR enter. So open browser from physical host and then browse https 192.168.2.2. Here we can see install Java Start and install ASDM launcher. Download and install these two applications. So we will be install Java Web Start and then we will be install ASDM launcher. So now we'll install ASDM launcher. So click ASDM launcher. Username admin password 1234. In my desktop we can see ASDM launcher shortcut came over here. Double click ASDM launcher. Username admin password 1234. Click OK. We can see, do you want to continue? Click continue. We can see ASDM launcher is loading. This is our Cisco ASA firewall graphical interface and we can see host name, version, firewall mode, total flash memory, device uptime and number of CPU and the total memory. If I click configuration, interface setting, interface, we can see gigabit Ethernet 0/0 IP address which we have assigned from CLI. Now we will assign IP address graphically for DMZ and inside zone. Select gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Click edit. Interface name inside. IP address 192.168.10.1. Subnet mask followed by 24 bit of mask. So here I'm going to select 255.255.255.0. Click OK. We can see interface showing disable. We need to enable the interface. To enable interface, again click edit and then select enable interface. Click OK. We can see now interface showing active. Let's click gigabit Ethernet 0/2. Edit. Interface name DMZ. Enable interface. IP address 192.168.11.1 and then subnet mask followed by 24 bit of mask. Click OK. To save the changes, click apply. Let's go back to GNS3. Show interface IP brief. We can see the IP address which we have assigned graphically. In upcoming session, I will show more details configuration for Cisco ASA firewall. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.